This ancient technique, guarded by grumpy grandfathers and YouTube ninjas, is apparently reserved for the chosen few. He grabbed a tiny ball. Yes, a ball. Then shoved the ends of two laughably short cables inside it. Miraculously, the ball aligned and held them like a peaceful union broker. You watch it, half expecting fireworks, but instead you get a perfectly serviceable connection that costs less than your coffee. The simplicity is offensive. 2 short cables, 1 ball, 0 shame. Follow the tiny step guide below. Your toolbox will suddenly seem smarter than you. Try it once and you'll feel mildly proud, then smug.